Assalamu alaikum students. Our topic for today's lecture is Muslims, inventors and scholars. Let's move on to the introduction. It states that Islamic culture was supported by the Umayyads and Abbasids, and many educated Muslims helped in introducing science, literature, knowledge and culture, in which Hunayn ibn Ishaq al-Abadi, an Arabic Christian, converted a lot of work into Arabic language. New things were introduced to people, and Muslims were known to be progressive back then. Now let's talk about Al-Khwarizmi, whose rule started from 780 and ended in 850. He was a Persian Muslim, and he was the one who introduced zero. He invented algebra and was known as geographer and astronomer as well. Al-Razi, whose rule started from 865 and ended in 925, he was a Persian and he studied medicine. The concept of hospital was introduced by him. He always used to make a rational decision for any disease and for its treatment as well. Now let's talk about Ibn Haytham's. Ibn Haytham's rule started in 965 and ended in 1040. He belonged to Iraq and studied in a madrasa of Cairo. He was an excellent optics, mathematics, physics, medicine and development of modern experimental scientific methods. Plus, he was very good in geographical calculations and scientific researches as well. Al-Biruni's rule lasted from 973 till 1050. He was known to be the most famous scientist who was Muslim, and he was good in many languages. He used to write books on many topics, including Indian culture as well. Now it's our last heading for today. It's Ibn Sina. Ibn Sina's rule lasted from 980 till 1037. He was a person with tremendous knowledge. He was a doctor by profession, whose books were used by Europeans till 16th century, and he died in 1037. Now that's all for today. We'll continue with the heading of Al-Idris in the next part, inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.